In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Google Ads after launch. If your campaign is already live and you need to make adjustments, you're in the right place. Edits after launch are common, whether you're fine-tuning performance or responding to new goals. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can make clean, confident changes. First, open your Google Ads account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, and give the page a moment to fully load so all menus are available. You'll see the main navigation along the left side of the screen. Next, click Campaigns. This takes you into the Campaigns area so you can work at the account level rather than inside a specific ad group or asset. To ensure you're looking at the full list of campaigns, click Campaigns again. Depending on what you last viewed, that second click helps bring up the full campaign table with columns like Status, Budget, and Performance. Now, locate the specific campaign you want to edit. If you have a long list, try the search bar at the top of the table or use filters to narrow by campaign type or status. Double-check the campaign name to avoid editing the wrong one, especially if you've duplicated campaigns or have similar naming conventions. Once you've found it, click the checkbox next to that campaign. Selecting the checkbox activates the bulk action bar across the top of the table. From there, click Edit. This is the central place where you can update key campaign settings. You'll see options to change budget, change bid, and more. When changing the budget, remember this controls your average daily spend. Small, incremental increases tend to be safer than drastic jumps, especially if performance has been stable. For bids, what you can edit depends on your bidding strategy. If you're on a manual bidding approach, you can adjust bids directly. If you're using an automated strategy, you may see options to adjust targets or related parameters. Make measured adjustments and consider the learning period many strategies require after changes. The Edit panel is also where additional adjustments may live, depending on your setup. Take a moment to review what's available, read any on-screen notes, and make sure the changes reflect your goals. After applying updates, give the system some time to process. Edits typically take effect quickly, but performance shifts may appear over the next day or so. Keep an eye on key metrics to confirm the change is having the intended impact. That's it. Simple, precise, and safe edits to your live campaign.